Hi guys, I got this new antenna for my truck. The seller gifted to me so I could show you all its cool features. So this one is the gold and black one. So it's kind of cool looking. It's got the screw in end right there, and it has all the fittings, so it'll fit pretty much every vehicle. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it on my truck, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, this is how boring my original antenna looks. I'm gonna go ahead and install this new one. So we're just gonna unscrew the old one, and it's got that bolt there. So, okay, yep, it came with everything I needed. It needed a little adapter here that had threads on both sides, and I used one of the little parts here to combine that adapter to the antenna here, and it just screws on tight. Looks pretty cool. So if you guys want an antenna like this, go ahead and get it.